Good morning. This is Mrs. Renollet with your morning message for Wednesday, May 6th. You can do this, guys. Take one day at a time. Each of you are doing a great job learning on your own at home. I know you can do this. Today is Wednesday. You have a math lesson and a reading lesson. If you're working on Seesaw, you will see the name Wednesday in the title. If you are printing from the district website, make sure you're looking for the week of May 4th. Right here at the top, and it is lesson 2 that we're working on today. Let's look at our math lesson for today. We are continuing with multiplication and division and thinking about how do those work together. Remember at the very bottom on the last page, you have some supports. You have examples and pictures of fact families to help you understand multiplication and division. Task number 1 today is to complete your daily math practice. If there's something you don't know how to do, you may leave it blank and turn it in to me that way. Task number 2 is to read your example page from Pearson. Our question today: how do multiplication and division equations work together? I want you to read this example and begin showing me what you understand about fact families. Your last task today, I want you to spend the most time on. It's called our problem of the day. I want you to really be thinking, what do you understand about multiplication and division, and how do they work together? Show me what you know on your problem of the day. Now let's look at the reading assignment for Wednesday, May 6th. We're continuing reading about plants and answering questions using text evidence. There's something tricky about today's lesson. Today's lesson is using the text from yesterday, from our lesson on Tuesday. So you will not find the text in this lesson. You have to go back and find the text from yesterday to read it for today. So you can find that in lesson number 1 or Tuesday's lesson. Task number 1 is to read the text from yesterday. Reread it and help your brain remember about Miss Johnson's plant experiment. Task number 2 is going to be answering 10 questions. Questions 1 through 7 are multiple choice, and they look like this. Make sure that you're going back to the text to find text evidence to answer each question. Questions 8 through 10 look like this. You may answer these in complete sentences. Again, finding your text evidence to give the best answer possible. Your last task today is to complete DLR. Show me what you understand about language review. If there's something you don't know how to do, you may leave it blank and turn it in to me like that. I have a couple of suggestions today of things that you should do. Number 1 is called Fables, the Raven and the Fox. I have mentioned this to you before. It can be found on Seesaw. It is a lesson that Miss Lopez is teaching you, and she reads to you a fable called The Raven and the Fox. Let me show you what that looks like on Seesaw. Here it is. First, you will watch the video to hear some instruction about what are fables. Then you will click on the link over here and listen to Mrs. Lopez reading to you. Then you will finish your response by identifying the setting, the characters, the problem, solution, and the moral of the fable. The second suggestion I have for you is called Telling Time to the Nearest Minute. This is another Seesaw lesson. In this lesson, you will hear some instruction from me. I show you a video instruction of how to tell time to the nearest minute. Here is our assignment on Seesaw. This is what it looks like. So first, you're going to watch the video to hear some instruction. Then you're going to use the text tool to complete the task. those are my suggestions for you today. Upcoming this Friday, I will have a Zoom call at 10 a.m. Make sure that you're looking for that link so that as many students can join us as possible. If you have questions, make sure you're reaching out to me. I hope you have a great day.